guys, today I'm going to give you the review of a new software called Explaindio. Explaindio does is it allows you to create your own videos even if you don't have any idea on how to make a video. Using this you can create doodle animation and whiteboard videos, 2D and 3D animated videos, full motion videos and explainer videos. The technology they are using is called Warp. You get access to easy to use drag and drop creator that allows you to create videos within minutes. It is the only app that has warp technology. You can create your videos in 3 simple steps, that is create, customize and edit, export and share. You can create professional quality videos without any experience. You don't need any special training or experience. You don't need any special set of softwares. You don't need to hire somebody to create your video. You can use it on PC and Mac. You can create and export as many videos as you want. Create multiple animations at the same time, full 3D animations. You get access to 180 plus pre-made text animations, full multi-timeline editing, import videos and images. You can you get access to 600 pre-made animated scenes, over 300 plus fonts included, access to over a million royalty-free images and videos which you don't get with any other software. You also get access to background audio tracks. You can easily export your videos with horizontal, vertical and square options. You get access to 6 animated characters and step-by-step tutorial that will help you to learn and understand what the software does. So believe me, the software is very easy to use. The videos you create are engaging and attractive, that helps you to get more leads and sales with 100% free traffic. You can tell your own story or promote a product. You can engage with visitors, explain and get them taking action. More than 35,000 creators, marketers and entrepreneurs are already using Explaindio. Let's look at some of the more features of Explaindio. You get access to multiple animations at the same time, full multi-timeline editing, full 3D animations. You can import external 3D templates, 3D models and animation customization. You get access to 180 plus pre-made text animation. You also get access to 140 plus pre-made video, image, doodle objects animations, easy video creation wizard, keyframe animation, built-in transitions. You can also import videos in most popular formats like AVI, WMV, FLV, MOV, and MP4. You get access to over million stock photos and videos, which you can use as featured or as background. Create attention-getting videos, build engaging animated scenes like these, produce Hollywood-like promo videos, make creative kinetic typography. You can create Hollywood-like promo videos, make creative kinetic typography, create high-quality parallax videos, animate product launch videos, make top converting YouTube outros, create eye-catching logo stings, create black and white doodle sketch videos, create color doodle sketch videos, and you can create 3D videos as well. As you know that the product is going to launch on March 27th. When you buy on March 27th, you get access to these features only if you buy the business edition. Explaindio business edition software, 300 plus fonts, 600 pre-done animated scenes, background audio tracks, 50 total sketch images, 50 full HD background videos, 6 animated characters, access to gated Explaindio users group. For whom Explaindio software is for? If you're a freelancer, product creator, affiliate marketer, list builder, entrepreneur, business owner, person selling videos, person selling business to other services, or person who wants to profit from YouTube. You can sell your videos as a gig on Fiverr or Upwork. You get freedom to work from who or everywhere you want. You can work less and earn more. If you buy on March 27, you get agency license. You know that it is not launched yet when this video is being made. Let's look at some of the bonuses you're getting. You get access to premium agency license. You get access to free upgrade to Explaindio 5 Plus early beta access, Explaindio coaching webinar training, Explaindio Business Edition Platinum upgrade, home study course, get access to privilege to ask the founder of Explaindio any questions you have. Right. Software, 600 pre-done animated scenes with 500 total sketch images, 6 animated characters, 300 plus fonts, background audio tracks, 500 full HD background videos, access to gated Explaindio users group. Our business agency, you get 5 users access to 5 users included when you add on 27th of March. There is the customer support you're getting, and you get access to the 30 days refund policy that you would not get anywhere else. If that means if you don't like Explaindio, within 30 days you can ask the owners for the refund. Time updates on new software versions and bonuses. Edition comes with 3 plans: monthly payment, annual payment, or one-time payment. I guess this is the best software to create videos on the market right now. So go check this out. Only $37 you get access to software, stock footages, stock images, stock videos. See all of these only for $37 a month if you pay on a monthly basis. For annual basis, $67 per year, and if you want to pay for lifetime, uh, go for $497. First, I'd recommend you to first buy it and try the software for $37 per month. If you like in the first month, then go for annual or $497. That is one-time payment. Otherwise, just leave it. Make sure to buy from the first link in the description. If you buy from the first link in the description, I'll give you an exclusive bonus that will not get anywhere else. Get access to a PDF of top 100 traffic sources for marketers in 2022. Make sure to buy from the first link in the description to get the bonus. How to claim the bonus? Just send a screenshot of your purchase to the first email given in the description and I'll send you the bonus.